Pluk ka Manipur halor ka jingjia kansan ka jingya pher jingmot hapdeng ki tribal kiba im hariulum but ki non tribal kiba im hari thor kiba im kiba sa haki jaka thor kane ka jingya pher jingmot kalong ka bala julor bha sibon ya kane ka jala Manipur but u governor ka Manipur ula hukum ya ki shipai India pan siat bej habayo i but bungut sisa ki bala yap.
I would urge to all the citizens of Manipur state, all our brothers and sisters there, that we should maintain peace and harmony out there, and we should not go into any violent activities.
National Central Paramilitary Forces have been requisitioned for deployment in sensitive areas. We are committed to protect the life and property of our peoples. Long-term grievances of communities will also be suitably addressed in due course in consultation with the peoples and their representatives organization. Manipur is a state in which we have all coexisted for centuries. We should not allow the culture of communal harmony between the people living in the state to be disturbed by vested interests. In this hour, I appeal to one and all to maintain peace and harmony in your respective areas. I urge you not to believe in rumors and unverified messages.